Welcome everyone to Carol's Art Room. Well, today I am going to do one of my tiles for my backsplash at the cottage, which is going to be turquoises and some brown. I'm trying to perfect my pillow paint. It's getting better. It's a little bit thicker than it was. It's Glidden Essentials. By leaving it open for a day or two to thicken up. And giving it a stir every once in a while. Okay. And then my blowout, I keep getting those white cells, lots, so I'm trying to rectify that. So let's try it again. This is golden teal and Deco-Art Bahama blue mixed together. This one is Amsterdam greenish blue. Deco-Art pearl white. This little piggy mermaid and PBO blue green. An Amsterdam Van Dyke brown. Try not to use too much. Black cell activator. Okay, let's try this again. Look at that. See, this is what I'm trying to avoid. Oh boy. Most of it was good. Oh, I like this too. I will never be buying Glidden Essentials again. I never get this with Glidden Premium. I don't know why. Oh, I don't know if I can save this one. It's too much. Sometimes I can live with it, but if it's just in one spot that I don't like, then I don't like. going to try something different on my bloom today. I wonder if I should try it on this one since... I was going to try doing a catalyst on my bloom. The catalyst, using the catalyst wedge, I should call it, like this. I'm going to give it a little spin. This might be a good one to try it on. Well, let's see what we get. A lot of white there, see? Spin her out. Let's try Wow, isn't this interesting? Give it another spin. it's moving. Very interesting. Let's just see how it dries. Well, that's kind of weird. Not weird, but different. What do you think? All right, I'm going to let it dry and see how it looks. I'll put the dried result at the end. Thanks for watching. Hi everyone. There's my dried tile, 6 by 6. Dried pretty good. Nothing moved. I love this idea. I'll have to do another bloom with a catalyst wedge. There you go. Thanks for watching.